In manufacturing, your most valuable assets aren't in a warehouse. They're CAD drawings, product designs, and engineering files. The moment they leak, it's a direct hit to your R&D investment, and exactly what your competitors want most. Supply chain attacks on manufacturers keep surfacing in 2026. Stolen data ranges from hundreds of thousands of engineering files to 3D CAD models, circuit designs, even firmware and BIOS-level material. Different scale, same target. Drawings, designs, engineering data. And once it's out, the risk ripples across the entire supply chain. Passwords get shared without a second thought. Permission settings get worked around by the very people they're meant to restrict. Even converting drawings to a lockdown PDF doesn't stop someone from taking a screenshot or a photo of the screen and walking away with the exact same content. AnySecura protects CAD and engineering files with transparent encryption. One-click encrypts a file. After that, opening, editing, and saving all work as usual, wherever the file goes. On top of that, a dynamic watermark on the application window traces any screenshot or photo back to the person and device. Setting up the watermark is straightforward. Pick a template, enable window watermarking, and specify the application to protect, like FreeCAD. Save it, and the moment the software opens, the watermark is already there. Encryption takes just one action too. Right-click the CAD file, select Quick Encrypt, and it opens and behaves normally on an authorized machine. But copy that same file to an unauthorized computer, whether it's uploaded to the cloud or dropped onto a USB drive, and it simply won't open, left unreadable. AnySecura keeps your CAD and engineering files under control and fully traceable wherever they go. Start your free trial today and protect what you've engineered.